Guys, today I'm looking at the latest and maybe the first detachable open earphones from Livall. Now, why am I excited about these? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, here they are, the LTS21 detachable open ear headphones from Livall. Now, if you don't know who Livall are, well, they are a serious player in the head protection game, namely scooter, cycle, skateboard, helmets, and more. In fact, I've been lucky enough to review a few of their products, and as far as e-scooter helmets go, they are brilliant. I'll leave a few cards up and you can check out some of those videos. Now, I actually purchased the Neo helmet way before Livall ever reached out to me and asked me to review any of their products. And you know what? I still use my Neo. I gotta say, it is 100% fantastic. Now, another point to note about Livall is their products have and continue to receive design awards. I'm telling you, they make some great products. So when Livall reached out to me and asked me if I was interested in making a video for their latest headphones, I jumped at the opportunity. Now, point to note, whether I buy something myself or whether I'm asked to review it, I can tell you now, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So now that my excitement is somewhat contained, let's have a look in the box and see what we have. Now, first off, we have some nice packaging. Got a picture of Zhang Jie, the tennis Grand Slam champion, sporting a pair of the light-coloured headphones. Once you open the box, you're greeted with a sleeve with some instructions. Then you have this rather nice carry case. Now, open up the carry case and we have all of the kit. And I say all of the kit as this is the Pro version. So you have the earbuds, you have the neck bracket, the charging case, as well as the helmet mounts and brackets. Yeah, that's right, the helmet mounts. Well, after all, Livall make great helmets, right? So why wouldn't their headphones fit their helmets? Oh, and of course, you get a USB-C charging cable, so thumbs up for USB-C. Now, I have to say that these look and feel pretty damn good. They are really nice to the touch, with all of the plastics feeling really soft. Now, just to note that the earbuds can't be used standalone. They've got to either use this neck band or they've got to use a helmet attachment. This, however, is pretty easy as the buds just clip on. Now, to that helmet attachment, well, this is definitely a game changer. Stick the mount on, attach the earpiece just as we did to the neckband, and we are off to the races. Now, as I said previously, I have the Livall Neo helmet. Apart from no front light, this helmet is absolutely packed with tech, including a hands-free setup for listening to music or spoken navigation instructions, and for making phone calls. The latter is fine until you get moving, and then no one can hear you. But, and this is a big but, these LTS21s were actually good. In fact, they were really good. I attached this onto my other favourite helmet, the Livall Evo 21, which again, card here for the review because that is a very, very cool helmet also, which does have a front headlight, but it doesn't have any hands-free. But you know what? Wow, wow, wow. In fact, both hands-free speech and listening to music was really pleasant. Not too much bass, which kind of suits me because I do like to listen to the clarity of music, but I kind of liked the sound of these. I got carried away flicking through my favourite songs trying to compare the sound from these very comfortable headphones against many others that I've reviewed. Also, what I thought was a nice touch was that the helmet bracket is fixed by using these 3M sticky pads. but removing the bracket was easy. You don't have to pull off your sticky tab, which incidentally you get a couple of spares. You just rotate the bracket and it comes away from the attachment, which stays on the helmet. Now that is pretty cool. And look at these on, guys. I mean, these look seriously good. And you know, you can wear them for sport, you can wear them for running, they're not going to move around, they don't block your ears completely, so even though you've got environmental noise cancelling, they don't really block your ears, so you're still aware of what's going on. So that's okay if you're sitting in a room, whatever, but you know what, if you're actually wearing these clipped to a helmet, you want to be aware of your surroundings. So guys, pairing was dead easy. Just open up your Bluetooth settings, see the LTS21s in the list, pick them, and there you go, job done. Now, controlling these headphones can be done from your phone, of course, and you also have the ability to control your headphones by a series of taps on either earpiece. Power on, long press for 3 seconds, play and pause, tap twice, previous track, tap once and hold for 2 seconds on the left earpiece, next track, tap and hold for 2 seconds on the right earpiece. For phone calls, you can answer calls or hang up calls by tapping twice. You can refuse a call by tapping for 2 seconds. And to activate your phone's voice assistant, 3 taps. Or lastly, you can control everything from the Livall BR80 controller. This, when on the go on my scooter, will be the go-to for me as far as I'm using this controller for controlling indicators, etc. And you know what, you don't have to take your hands off the scooter handlebars. You got to stay safe, guys. But if you're not riding and you're sitting and chilling, then any of these ways are gonna be just fine. So guys, this just about wraps this one up. These are very cool and they sound great for music and calls. Charging is easy, just drop the earpieces into the charging box and you're good to go. Battery life is pretty respectable with a solid 24 hours for music and around 12 hours for calls. It takes around 1 hour to charge these bad boys, which is a full charge, which is good, and the charging case will take you around 3 hours to charge, which will give you about 3 full charges to my testing. The headphones are IP64, dust and waterproof, and this uses the latest 5.2 Bluetooth, so you're always going to have a good, strong connection. So guys, seriously good. I see a lot of headphones and earbuds and I review a lot. These are top draw. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments section and I'll leave any product links and discounts in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks to you for watching. Thanks to Livall for sending me these LTS21 detachable. Yes, remember, these are detachable headphones. I'll be back with a long-term review on these, so please look out for that. And until then, guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.